My name is Lilian. I'm from Narok, Kenya. I really wanted to do a computer science degree at Strathmore University, but I didn't think it was possible because I couldn't afford it.
It was a very innovative idea because these were huge loans that were risky loans. We realized that there are certain students who would never come to apply to Strathmore because they can't afford, so it's out of their reach. Lilian is a Maasai girl. She comes from a village where very few girls have the kind of exposure that she's going to get at Strathmore.
When I got the Kiva loan, I was overwhelmed. I was really, really happy. I cried tears of joy. My favorite class is C++ programming. When I graduate, I'll create my own company and try to help other people by employing them there. The Kiva lenders, they trust that I work hard in school and afterwards I'll pay the money.
And that's the beauty of Kiva, because all these students need is that funding to help them spring to their dreams. And we can't wait to see what they will become 8, 9, 10 years after graduating.